If your story starts at one end of the world and ends at another, can it truly be told with just words? We know the most powerful stories come to life right before our eyes. As a professional map animator, I transform your routes, data, or travel logs into a dynamic and captivating visual journey. I craft a path for your audience that connects them with every turn, every new location, and every crucial data point. Whether it's your business expansion, a historical event, or a personal journey, I bring everything to the map in a way that's easy to understand and deeply impactful. My expertise goes beyond simple animation. I bring out the core of your story, make every moment meaningful, and build trust in your brand. If you want to turn your map into a powerful storytelling tool, why wait? Let's transform your vision into an unforgettable visual experience.